Hey everybody, welcome to Talk Daily. My name is Eddie. Today we're going to be talking about GM ambitious plan to manufacture and sell 400,000 electric vehicle in America, in North America, by 2024. And this article comes to us from Car and Drive and written by Caleb Miller. CEO of GM, Mary Barra, told investor Tuesday that GM plans to deliver 400,000 EVs by the end of 2023. But also said that GM will build a third electric truck factory to supplement Factory Zero and Orion assembly plant, which will be converted to build Silverado EV. GM sold fewer than 25,000 EV last year, but plans to launch several electric models in the next 2 years. So, yeah, that's a big step for GM. I mean, if you're making less than 25,000 electric vehicle that you sold in 2021, and he's saying by the end of 2023, by 2024, I'm gonna have 400,000 vehicle and sold in North America. That's a big promise, and you might think that they're biting more they can chew, but not really. There's an underline to the story. It's GM relationship with LG, the Korean company that manufactured the battery for them, because LG came up with an amazing solution. It's probably LG working with GM, but LG is the manufacturer of that battery. And if you never heard of it, it's called the Ultium battery. Ultium battery. It's very unique battery, and again, I have an article about it here from Car and Driver. This article written by David Vanderwerp. And this is it's a little bit old. It's July 7, 2021, but nothing has changed from this. It shows you, look, EV of the year. What basically it is, and I'll show you. This is the picture of it, but it doesn't really do it any justice. It's it's right here. So what you're looking at is a battery that's unique, and I'm gonna read from this drawing. It said, this is the layout of the larger Ultium battery, the double stacked 24 module Hummer pack, which has a net capacity of 200 kilowatt per hour. The smallest variant will have 6 of these rectangular modules and hold 50 kilowatt per hour. The 24 cell within each model can be oriented either horizontally or vertically and are monitored wirelessly, both industry first. There's a lot in here. So, first of all, it's the ease of assembly, the ease of stacking it. You're not forced anymore to be in a specific shape, so that gives a lot of leverage for a car designer to have some leeway in their design, which is very important and also reduces cost. Second, which is also very important, is the ability to monitor those battery wirelessly. So every 3 battery pack, they'll be able to monitor wirelessly instead of having wires connected to everything, which could lead to recalls, could lead to problems, the more soldering issues can develop, and again, weight and cost wise are not cheap. So that's amazing. That's very amazing. And another one is also the ability to run in series or parallel. They're not stuck either series or parallel. So if you want that extra oomph, you can just change the configuration of the battery layout, and you're able to get a lot of power. So that's fantastic. That is something that it's again industry first. That's why they got that award. And also a quote here saying GM developed and tested a pack in 100,000 square foot factory lab in Warren, Michigan. The company's 75-ton mega shaker. And this is the mega shaker. If you don't know what this is, it's this machine over here. They put the batteries in here and they just keep shaking the machine. They keep shaking the equipment inside, and in this case, it's the battery. And why they do so? They're simulating real world environment, but they're doing it a fast track. They don't have 20, 10 years sitting in there shaking, right? So they basically have their own patented shaking algorithm going on. And long story short, they're just looking for anything coming loose, things rubbing with each other. That's how companies foresee flaws in the future, one of their ways. So GM is really putting a lot of effort into this, and this is their future. So this is their baby. Remember, this article is old, but nothing has changed. This is the way they want it. Oh, and here's the thing I talked about, the series and parallel. So they're saying here, by switching the pack from 400 to 800 volt For fast charging, GM avoid paying for the more expensive company that requires for an EV to operate at a higher voltage all the time, as a Porsche the Taycan does. So there's a lot of things going on in here. Okay, um, that's again, it's a very, very smart battery. It's a very, very, very smart battery. Sees here, LG has been GM go-to battery supplier for over a decade, during which time both the size and the chemistry of the cells have evolved substantially. Compared with the cell used in the Bolt EV, the Ultium cell, nickel, cobalt, magnesium, aluminum blend, has 70% less cobalt, a key to reducing costs. Any LG customer can buy this cell, although so whatever competitive advantage GM leverage will have to come from how it integrates component into a complete pack. The pack will have net capacity between 50 kilowatt, 144 cell, and 200 kilowatt, 576 cells. Put out between 235 and 1,000 horsepower and provide up to 450 miles of range. GM claims it's the only automaker right now that can either lay cells flat or stand them upright. That gives engineer flexibility in shaping packs and following a vehicle floor plan. GM bundled the cells into a group of 24, creating modules in the Hummer 12 module wired series to make a 400 volt, 1000 kilowatt per hour layer of double stacked battery pack. The two layers are connected in parallel to arrive at a total of 200 kilowatt net capacity. And that's the trick that we're talking about. On some Ultium vehicles, such as the Hummer, the top of the bottom layer can be temporarily switched from parallel to series connection, doubling the voltage to 800. This lets you take full advantage of the highest output 800 volt electrify America fast charging station. So that's that trick about that battery. Again, I'm going to read it word by word. It's really, really, it's fascinating seeing that technology developing and all this smart people just thinking about finding solutions. So if you're watching this and you're wondering, are they going to be able to sell 400,000? I say yes. I say go for it, GM. Yes, you will. This technology is very clever, and 450 range mile. Again, this is from 2021, so things are changing very rapidly, and I'm really happy for GM, for them taking a step forward and trying it out, because we want to see variety. We want to see cars that are becoming more affordable. Yeah, Teslas are great, and those high-end cars are great, but we want to see cars for the general public that we can afford, and we also want to see variety. So good for them. And as always, let me know what you think. You think this battery might be a flop, or you think because again, LG can sell the battery to anybody. They don't have there is no like a claw in their contract with GM saying I only sell it to you. So that technology is available. So I don't know, maybe Ford might take advantage, or Toyota, who knows. So let me know what you think in the comment below, and are you excited as I am about this? Because they're gonna be some amazing cars coming out in the future. Can't wait to see them. Anyways, always let me know what you think in the comment below. If you like what GM is going through, or do you think nah, they're just wasting money? As always, let me know, and take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.